What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I just quickly want to tell you about the best trading apps that you can use to trade forex or as a forex trader. So these are personally the trading apps I've used that have really helped me in forex trading. They are apps that can range from the normal trading platform that you need like MT4 to certain apps that will alert you at the right time to open up trades, and some apps that will give you news updates. These apps are really great and will help you trade forex smoothly and makes a lot of things easier for you. The first app is MT4. Everybody that wants to trade forex know about MT4. Is the platform that you can use to trade forex. Download the app, MT4 mobile app, search the broker that you register with to trade forex, and log into your account and start trading. I just quickly want to tell you about MT5 too, because most times people just tend to talk about MT4. MT5 is an upgraded version of MT4. They are almost the same, but just very little difference between them. MT5 just have little features like pointers that you can use to measure difference, margin or price difference between two candles. Just very other little tweaks there. Another forex trading app I would recommend you get is Forex Calculator. Especially as a beginner, you need a Forex Calculator. Something that can easily calculate your position size, the right lot size that you have to use. It will help you to calculate your stop loss, take profits, your margin, and every other thing, just everything you can think of calculating while trading. Forex Calculator will help you in that. The third app I recommend you get is Core Levels. That's the name of the app. Have you ever thought about a situation whereby you log into your trading account, you open the chart and you want to place trade, but you discover that after all the calculations you've done, you need the price of the assets to move a little bit up or down before you finally enter the trade. But you don't have much time to stand there and keep looking at the charts until the price moves in your desired direction before you enter the trade. This is where Core Level comes in. This is where Core Levels will help you. Core Level is an app that's designed for you to set trade calls. If you are targeting a certain price and you don't want to use buy stop or sell stop that will automatically place the trade for you, still want to analyze the trades a little before entering the trade yourself, Core Level is there to help you pick any assets, currency pair that you want to monitor, set the price, and the app will automatically send you an alert whenever the trade pair gets to that price level. Very nice and handy for you not to mix price level. Another really cool app I would advise you get to is Investing.com mobile app. You install it on your phone. What I normally use them to do is just to check important fundamental news release for the currencies I'm interested in. So I just go inside there and set it up, filter the news release to see the ones that are important, the important news release and the relevant currencies that I'm interested in. Every morning before you start trading for the day, just go over there and have a look at the news that will be released for that day and take note of those that will really affect the currencies you are trading, and be mindful of them while trading those currencies. Finally, another app I will also recommend you get is Forex mobile trading app. I have an account with Forex. I use them as my brokers too. The useful information I get from their mobile app is their periodic notifications of price movements. These are the apps I really recommend you get them and start using them as a forex trader. They will really help you and make your trading journey very easy and smooth. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it. It's very important. Liking this video helps boost the engagement. If you have any other questions regarding trading apps or information you need about forex trading, drop them in the comment section. I read my comments every 1 hour after uploads, and if it's something I know about, I'll definitely answer you. If something I don't know, I'll refer you where you can get the useful information about it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If this is your first time in this channel, subscribe and click that little bell button down there so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. See you in my next video.